Hey guys, good morning. Today is March 7th. And I'm trying to get my remote to turn off Daniel Tiger really quick. But today is March 7th and look what I'm doing. I am packing to go back to Kansas. So literally I've already packed and repacked I'm gonna set y'all down. I have packed and repacked my suitcase maybe like no, I'm lying. Probably 5 times already. Like, I am that paranoid person that absolutely have to pack and repack, pack and repack, pack and then repack again. So I'm going back home and he's crying, so it kind of it makes me, it doesn't make me want to drink. It just makes me want to go get him. But I know it's nothing wrong with him. And I have to pack these clothes. Well, my clothes, I just want to repack. Like, I just got to repack. Leave comments down below if you just have to repack. But first off, because I don't know where I'm going to put this video at, let me just say a little spiel first, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys probably haven't seen me vlog in a long time. And since then, I've had a baby. So my son is 1 in like a week or so. So he's 1 in a week. He was born February 26, 2020. So I found out I was pregnant July 4th of 2019. I found out I was pregnant and I was already like 7 weeks pregnant and I didn't know it. So yeah, I've had a baby. That's not why I disappeared. I've just been more active over on my second channel. So if you guys want to subscribe here, I'm gonna start trying to post more on this channel. But then me and my husband haven't really been doing anything. Yes, I'm still married. We're not separated, okay? But yeah, we're still married. I have a lot of older videos. I did record, what is it, Thanksgiving, but I put it over on my main channel, and then I did record my Thanksgiving when I was pregnant, and I still haven't uploaded that video. So I guess I could probably try to find that footage and edit it for you guys and upload it, but I'm going to try to upload something over here on this channel I'm gonna try every other Friday right now. Yeah, I'm gonna try every other Friday. And then if you guys just get a video, you know, every Friday, then that's good. You know, that's good. But enough said. But yeah, that's where I've been. I didn't disappear from this channel just because I had a baby. It was literally, we just got so far into work and then we wasn't really doing anything, and this channel was supposed to be like escapades, and then I started just uploading more over on my second channel, trying to have more content over there, and I just pretty much just let this channel fall to the wayside. But it will be getting revamped, like my title, like my banner, and I think I might be changing the name because Naturally Green Beans. I'm Naturally and my husband is Green Beans, and now that we have our son and Maggie, I just want to revamp the page, you know, because it's really old. I think I started it in what, 2014, 2015. I'm not sure. I think it's somewhere in there. But back to what we were talking about. So I'm pretty much just packing 2 carry-ons, and this front area right here is going to be for my son's cloth diapers. If you guys really want to catch up on what I've been doing, you should probably, if you haven't already, go watch my main channel, which is Naturally Marked. Yeah, go watch my main channel. But we cloth diaper, and a lot of stuff that I'm kind of saying, I feel like I have to explain it because I haven't been here for a while. But we cloth diapers, so this front area is going to be all of his cloth diapers and stuff. But I'm not going to put all of his cloth diapers in here. I'm only going to put maybe 4 of them in here, and then put 15 of them in my military backpack. Well, it's mine now because I took it from my husband, but my husband is a vet. I'm not sure if I ever told y'all that, but yeah, he's a vet. But I'm going to try to take all of his clothes out because as you guys seen how they were just kind of folded and thrown in there. So my side is already rolled. I roll all of our clothes so that it's I can get more stuff in there. So I'm just pretty much trying to double make sure that I have all of our stuff in the bag and I have enough clothes for him. And then my husband was just like, hey, make sure you don't pack all of his clothes inside the suitcase like it, because I told him I was going to put his diapers in there just in case they lose our luggage. He was like, yeah, you know, that's smart, and you should also not put all of his clothes inside the suitcase just in case they lose the luggage. I was just like, that is so true. It's so true though. And y'all, I'm coming on here looking like this because I don't want to take my hair rag off. I'm drinking coffee. I don't think it's decaf. Normally I was drinking decaf because I felt like it was like making my milk like go away. But then my son is a year now, so it's like he's still exclusively breastfeeding, but he needs to start eating solids. Like he needs to get in the habit of eating more solids. So that's what's going on with that. I'm gonna just sit you guys here and then watch me just roll up these clothes. Roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Okay, so as you guys can see how much space I have up here in this corner because I got all of his clothes rolled now. But I'm not sure if I'm not sure how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna put 7 diapers in my carry-on bag. I know it's probably a lot. It's only a 3-hour flight and I'm doing a non-stop flight, and I'm trying to think if I need this. But my husband made pumpkin pancakes this morning for me. A pumpkin pancake, yes! And he made them by scratch.
What will you do first? Well,
Oh my God.
I will listen to your heartbeat with my stethoscope.
This is what your child does when he's with daddy. Yeah. This is what you do. Oh yeah?
Okay. Thump. Nice heart.
I guess she wasn't crying, huh?
Daddy?
You want me?
Your
Okay.
heart is strong and healthy. Daddy, do you want to hear your own heart with the stethoscope?
Okay, guys. if you haven't already met him, this is my son, Jelly Bean. His name is Charles as well. But he's a 1-year-old. Say hi. Say hi, love bug. Good job. He smiles when he says hi. And yes, his birthday decorations is still up from February 26th. His birthday decorations is up. But you guys, I want to, ooh, yes. Oh my goodness. And my syrup.
Very nice ears, Tiggy.
Okay. I'm fist to grub a dub dub, baby Michael in the tub.
So tickles a little. It does.
Grub it up, grub it up, grub it up, grub it up.
Follow my finger. Well,
There we go.
Your eyes and
Grub it
ears
up,
are
good.
clear and healthy. Next, I'm going to check your throat. Oh, I remember.
Grub it up, dub.
No.
I still have his birthday stuff up because I was just like, I'm not ready to take it down.
Healthy. And tidy.
But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing today. I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want to have to edit too long of a video. So I'll just pop back in here and show you guys my bedroom cleaned up. And he's going to try to eat a little, baby, do what you do.
Stand up over here, please.
And he's going to try to eat a little bit of his own pancake. But yeah, I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah, guys, I will see you later on next Friday. And I'll just show you my room cleaned up and my bags packed. Bye.